Today we're going to learn how to make algebra a little bit easier. It's an actual trick that will be very useful for you in your science class. Right now, when you do algebra, you apply basically the mathematical operations which allows to maintain the equality. For example, if I want to isolate variable c, I will have to get rid of letter d. To do so, I'll have to multiply by d on both sides of the equality, and d over d giving us 1, we'll remove that d, and we'll end up with the answer being c equals AD over B. That's all fine and dandy, and that's how it should be done. But we can also do it in a different way. As long as you're dealing with multiplications and divisions, you can carry any of these variables in diagonal from one side to the next. It's a trick that is often very useful to deal with complicated equations. So, if I have the previous same problem, A over B equals C over D, and I want to isolate C, all I have to do is actually take letter D and send it in diagonal onto the other side. And I will therefore have C equals AD over B. The exact same answer as we previously had, applying the mathematical way. So this trick can be very useful. Let's use it for something that is more down to earth, things that we do right now in science. Right now in science we have the concentration equation, where the concentration is the mass over the volume. Well, as I just said before, we can basically carry any of these in diagonal. This is the same as C over 1. So C equals M over V, and any variables can be transferred in diagonal as such. So if I have C equals M over V, and I'm looking for M, therefore I can take V and send it in diagonal to the numerator, and I will end up with M equals C times V, which is a formula we'll be using. Also, if I have C equals M over V, and I'm interested in isolating V, I don't want 1 over V, I want V equals something. Therefore, I have to send V to the numerator. Doing so, I end up with CV equals M, but I want V. So I will get rid of C by sending it to the denominator. And I will have thus isolated my variable V, and V is M over C. So moving things in diagonals make things a lot easier. Don't forget to only apply for multiplications and divisions.